Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 101. We are in home, our bulletin board, and let's find out what we're doing this week. So right at the top we have the About Week 11 video. You are watching and listening to that now. Below that video we have a link to modules, Week 11 in modules, April 15th through the 21st. And our work this week is Discussion 6B, the curriculum essay and a pronoun quiz, and complete the anonymous survey at the top of modules if you have not done so already, please. Our artwork for this week is the same as last week because we are focusing on the curriculum. And as always, I'm going to remind you what our research paper topic is. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S.? And what is the solution or solutions to this problem? As we write the essay this week about the curriculum, we are aware that we are scaffolding or building our research paper. Okay, our workshopping the essay policy is right here. The pedagogy, the teaching method, and grading system that I use for the research paper, how we scaffold it. You can click on this to review that policy if you want to. And also please remember that in syllabus, at the top, the instructor and course information. I have all my contact information here, how to contact me. Okay, and as always, I'm in inbox. You're never ever bothering me. If you email me, I love to hear from you. If anything's not clear, let me know. So I'm going to click on home, back to our bulletin board, back to our artwork of the frazzled looking teacher and the question here, what's the core of the core curriculum, which we have addressed last week and we'll address this week. Okay, let's have a good week.